I'm Emily Brunnschweiler and I work for ZOLLER Incorporated, North America. And this is our Smile 420. This is one of our main types of tool presetters. We have two product lines, and the Smile being the more entry-level product line. And so this one in particular, all of this, it's software driven. We have Windows 10 panel PC here. And one of the main features is our special components that we have. We have all brand name components. And so, this is a Sony camera modified by Zeiss lenses. We have THK guideways in here. You can either measure the Z height, you can get your X, you can measure contour. And if you see here, this is actually like a shadow graph of the machine, or of the tool rather. We call this a standalone offline presetter. And so it's basically just to save you time, save you money, save scrap, overall improve your efficiency in your manufacturing. So this is purely an inspection machine. It's kind of like a tool maker's microscope. We are holding this is a tiny little tool here. So what you're seeing on the screen is actually the tip of the tool. So usually this is for tool makers and who need to measure the tool geometries. And this is actually a 50 times camera. And so this is a pretty popular machine because of the price tag. But if you can measure, the radius, you can measure different lengths. It's pretty much just the perfect thing for tool makers and tool geometry.